Alright, so here's how to change font style in Instagram name and username. First of all, just open any browser on your smartphone. I'm going with Brave. You can choose Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you want. Now just go on the search bar and type here font generator. Alright, font generator .cool. Just go on this website and here type the username or name you want to be stylish, or you want to change the text, for which I'm going to type here up psych, and as you can see, different type of font and text are appearing. Alright, so I'm going to copy this one. Just click on this pad option, this copy option, and as you can see, the text is copied. Alright, now go back again on Instagram. Now click on edit profile, click on name, and here paste the name. After that, just click on this tick option and you will be good to go. And for the username, you can't change the username. Instagram does not officially allow username to be changed. It is set default by Instagram. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.